Leaked private emails have revealed the inner workings of the FBI, revealing an unexpected turn of events surrounding Trump's mar-a-lago case. Some Bureau employees were frustrated after the FBI lawfully searched Donald Trump's Mar-a-Lago resort and residence in 2022. They vented their frustrations to the ombudsman, who then relayed their anonymous grievances to the leadership of the Bureau. One email that Bloomberg News obtained through a FOIA request contained an employee's doubts about the search's legality and disbelief that the FBI had actually carried out the warrant on the property of a former president. According to Raw Story's report from Saturday, March 16, 2024, the employee voiced concerns about the management's handling of classified documents and brought up the Crossfire Hurricane investigation as factors in their criticism. The National Archives had gone to great lengths to recover the 13,097 artifacts confiscated during the search, many of which were classified documents, including top-secret information and nuclear secrets, even though the employee didn't seem to be aware of this. The politicization of the Bureau's actions was the subject of another email that expressed disappointment with agency leadership and demanded an explanation for their decisions. According to Bloomberg News, the stolen emails show raw hostility inside the FBI and shed light on the agency's upheaval since Trump announced his presidential campaign in 2015. Some of the issues brought up in these emails include the perceived politicization of FBI actions, the handling of sensitive information, and leadership decisions. They provide a window into the FBI's internal tensions and frustrations. The difficulty law enforcement has in handling politically charged investigations involving prominent figures is further highlighted by the leaked emails. In the midst of such cases, the Federal Bureau of Investigations, FBI, which is responsible for maintaining law and order and conducting fair investigations of federal crimes, faces both external scrutiny and internal strife. Furthermore, the broken trust in public institutions and the wider ramifications of partisan divisions within government agencies are both brought to light by the leaked emails. The FBI's apparent polarization is reflective of larger social divisions, as people's political affiliations influence how they view the actions and motives of law enforcement. Publication of internal communications also draws attention to the fine line that exists between openness and secrecy in government agencies. Leaks of sensitive information have the potential to jeopardize national security and impede ongoing investigations, despite the fact that transparency is crucial for accountability and public trust. In sum, the Mar-a-Lago case's leaked emails serve as a sobering reminder of the difficulties law enforcement agencies face in today's politically divided society and the need of being professional, honest, and unbiased while seeking justice. George Conway, an attorney for former President Donald Trump, has speculated that Monday's decision to sue ABC News for defamation over host George Stephanopoulos' comments regarding E. Jean Carroll could have unintended consequences. Carroll, a former Elle columnist who accused assaulting her in the 1990s, was awarded $83.3 million in January for harming her reputation. Trump is the presumed GOP presidential nominee. In a separate civil trial that took place last year, Carroll was awarded $5 million by abuse and defamation. Trump has promised to appeal and has denied any wrongdoing. South Carolina Republican Representative Nancy Mace and ABC News host George Stephanopoulos spoke about Carroll's civil defamation trial last week. Stephanopoulos sparked controversy in the interview by questioning rape survivor Mace about her support for Trump for president in light of the allegations against him. It's official. You're behind Donald Trump for president. A jury has found Donald Trump guilty. A jury has found Donald Trump guilty of defamation for his statements as a victim. A judge has upheld it, Stephanopoulos informed Mace. The ex-president was found guilty of abuse by the jury, but due to New York's restrictive legal definition of the jury's verdict did not imply that Carroll failed to prove that Mr. Trump, as many people commonly understand the word. Judge Lewis Kaplan, who oversaw the case, later explained. After questioning Mace, Trump went on Monday to sue ABC News and Stephanopoulos, claiming that they slandered him. These statements were and remain false, and were made by defendant Stephanopoulos with actual malice or with a reckless disregard for the truth, given that defendant Stephanopoulos knows that these statements are patently and demonstrably false, the lawyers for Trump said.